This short video will show you how to find the text of a statute using Fastcase when you already know where it's located. In this example, we'll be looking for the Texas law regarding common law marriage, or marriage without formalities, which is in the Texas Family Code, Chapter 2, Section 401. In order to browse Texas statutes in Fastcase, you will first need to click on the Outline button to the right of the search bar on the home screen. This will show you a menu of all the materials in Fastcase that you can browse through. Note that the State Law Library's Fastcase defaults to Texas as its jurisdiction and shows Texas materials you can browse. If you wanted to look at material for another state, you would click the pencil next to Texas and Federal and Other and make your selections. To get started, we'll click on the Texas Statutes link in the Legislative Materials box. If we wanted to look for historical statutes, we could click on one of the older years. In this example, we'll just be looking for the most current law, so we'll click on the 2017 statutes. This displays all of the Texas codes. We know that the law we're interested in is in the Family Code, so we'll click on that link. We'll continue drilling down until we reach Chapter 2, Section 401. Clicking on the link for this statute will bring up the complete text in another panel.